Nicole Poulson. I'm an education specialist with the Mission Aransas Reserve at the University of Texas Marine Science Institute. Today, we are going to focus our attention to soundscapes. But first, what is a soundscape? A soundscape is a collection of sounds that can be heard within an area. The sounds can be human-made, like a car noise, or it can be natural, like a bird singing in the trees. Soundscapes occur in the water and on land. Researchers use soundscapes to learn various things about the environment. This includes what lives there and how those sounds interact with the organisms. This is called soundscape ecology. Now we are going to listen to a soundscape near us. We're going to listen to the sounds that we hear, and we're going to make a record of it. Let's get started. It is difficult to identify all of the sounds at the same time. Researchers collect audio recordings of the soundscapes so that they can analyze the data later. We can learn a lot about the diversity of a space by just listening to the sounds. We can also learn about how sounds in a space change over time. Why don't you try it out for yourself? You can go out into your patio or backyard or even a safe green space. Maybe you will hear something that you didn't hear today. Happy listening!